Hello everyone and welcome. And in this video I'm going to answer the question, how can you convert BTC to USDT on Binance on a PC? It's quite simple. Converting BTC to USDT on Binance on a PC can be done primarily through two methods, but what we're going to be working on is the use of the convert function. Let's get started. First, you have to open your web browser and go to the Binance website. Then log into your Binance account, navigate to trade, and then click on convert. So on the top navigation bar, hover over trade. Then select convert from the drop down menu. Then select the conversion pair. In the from field, select BTC. In the to field, select USDT. Enter the amount of BTC you want to convert and click preview conversion to see the estimated USDT you will receive. It's as simple as that. So don't forget to confirm the conversion. If you are satisfied with the rate, click convert to complete the transaction.